Load your family into the 2015 Honda CR-V. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.